Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are discussing about unavailed joining time. Before that, one thing should be bear in mind. Whatever we are discussing here is applicable to government employees who are covered under Central Civil Service Leave Rules 1972. I hope all you know about joining time. Joining time is applicable to government employees who are transferred from one station to another. Joining time may vary depends upon the distance between new and old station. And we know that a government employee is eligible for earned leave at the rate of 15 days for each half year, and it can be accumulated maximum up to 300 days. Okay. Here our question is, what will happen to unavailed joining time? Answer is simple. Unavailed joining time will be credited into earned leave account. If an official is not availing his complete joining time or eligible joining time, then the unavailed joining time will be credited into his earned leave account. But there are certain conditions are there. The first one is the official is ordered to join in new post without availing full joining time. Okay, the transferring authority or the government may ask an official to join in new station without availing full joining time. Then the unavailed joining time will be credited into his earned leave account. Second condition is, if the official proceeds alone to the new place of posting and takes his family within the permissible time for claiming TA for the family. And third condition is, the total including the unavailed joining time credits in EL accounts does not exceed 300 days. This is important. We know that the EL accumulation is permissible maximum up to 300 days. If the joining time, the total including the credits in the EL account does not exceed 300 days, even after crediting the unavailed joining time. Okay, here I have given an example. Please, here an earned leave account balance of an official is given below, as given here. Here the opening balance is 165. An official is transferred from one station to another station, and his eligible joining time is 10 days. But he availed only 3 days for joining in new station. So he has 7 days remaining unavailed joining time. He is planning to take his family on a later date. So 7 days of unavailed joining time will be credited into his earned leave account. Here you can see that in earned leave account his opening balance is 165, and unavailed joining time 7 days is added to the EL balance, and his EL balance becomes 172. 165 plus 7, 172. Okay, this is about unavailed joining time. The point is, unavailed joining time will be credited into earned leave account, and there are 2 conditions. Okay, I hope all you get an idea about the topic. If you have any questions, please put it on comment box. Please share the video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.